Welcome to the Rich, Young, and African YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into the 3 benefits of having multiple bank accounts and how to manage them. But first, I need you to understand that having multiple bank accounts simplifies financial management by allowing you to allocate funds for specific purposes, such as savings, bills, and discretionary spending. This separation makes it easier to track expenses, avoid overspending, and meet financial goals. Additionally, it increases control by ensuring you always have a clear picture of where your money is going, enabling better budgeting and financial planning. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay inspired on your journey to financial freedom. Now let's jump right into the benefits. Benefit number 1. Separate accounts for savings and expenses. Separate accounts for savings and expenses create a clear boundary between money for future goals and daily spending. By isolating savings, you reduce the risk of accidentally dipping into those funds, ensuring they remain untouched and grow as intended. Benefit number 2. Use high interest accounts for savings. Using different banks for specific financial goals like emergency funds or investing minimizes the temptation to dip into those funds. It adds a layer of discipline, ensures clarity in tracking progress, and may offer tailored benefits such as high interest rate for savings or specified tools for investments. In my book, Rich, Young, and African, I discuss proven ways to budget, save, and invest. You can learn more about my book at jpatuaye.com/book. Benefit number 3. Better tracking and budgeting. Multiple accounts help categorize spending by assigning specific purpose to each, such as bills, leisure, or savings. This separation makes budgeting easier, ensures funds are available for essentials, and promotes better tracking of spending habits. You can get my free budgeting template by subscribing to my newsletter at jpatuaye.com/newsletter. Check the description or pinned comment for the link. Now that you have been equipped with these 3 benefits of having multiple bank accounts, I would like to reiterate that having multiple bank accounts adds clarity and control to your financial management. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, if you are ready to take your financial game to the next level, check out my upcoming book, Rich, Young, and African, at jpatuaye.com/book. It's packed with strategies on saving, investing, and building wealth. Thanks for watching, and let's build wealth together.